on the, economic situation with what's going on in the country with tariffs and jobs and the impact on laundromats. And so at a national level, the thing that we were hearing most is kind of what Britt touched on, is that a lot of laundromats are losing their customers because of the whole deportation. People are afraid to leave their homes and do some of the things they need to do. So we've kind of heard just in various areas, Texas, of course, is a kind of a big area, that their customer base is down, therefore revenue is down a bit. Tariffs at this point, Amanda, I don't mean to put you on the spot, but I think that would be more the tariffs would be affecting the equipment companies. Although I know a lot of them are American made, but they may get parts from overseas. I don't know that we're seeing it yet, but that would be the outcome of it. Is that kind of what you're hearing internally, Amanda?
We're closely following the situation, and I think like every business out there, we're ebbing and flowing with what's going on, but it's something that hasn't been addressed yet because we haven't seen the impact or how it's going to be fleshed out. So it is a good question and something to keep top of mind. I'm personally going through a home rebuild, so I'm very sensitive to it personally right now because I know that's going to impact my quote. So
That's the other thing. If you're building a laundromat from the ground up, it may affect construction costs. You know, I hate to say it, but the whole immigration issue can affect workers to do some of the construction. I mean, there's a lot of things to keep an eye out for. Um, Leah, does that kind of address or
it's
yeah,
kind of a politics answer. It's a non-answer, but everybody's paying attention to it and trying to address it as we see where it lands.
I know
um,
somebody who works in plastic manufacturing, and um, they do a lot of the ordering and stuff. And so they've been in all these meetings. It's a cousin of mine, and he was telling me, yeah, we got some invoices that had a tariff line on them, and then when they backed out, we had to get new invoices without the tariff line. And he's like, nobody knows what to do.